Let's see what we got. Oi!
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself first and foremost. I will land there with the latest mix up and the mix down. So subscribe if I your first time. Yes. Okay, my viewers and my subscribers, the G them that. Yes, me anyway. So we're gonna talk about what the description at the video say. Yes, me spice first, so don't have to worry. But tune in for Candy Wull and Wagwan Fear.
Let's see what we got. Oi! Oi! Don't know. Oi, Jesus.
Next nostril, please.
Oi, son.
Thank you. Alright.
As you can see, I get a one little swab, peeps, you see me, and you can see the face expression already, she not like it. But funny how it kind of weird, cause in the last year when me see them do them thing, it go way up in a people nose. You see me, I'm not telling you like, I see somebody I say, you're lucky, you, the last time it go way up, and my nose come like it want to touch my thoughts. I'm even tell you that it different, you see me. So spice you're good, man. Anyways, people, so Candy Wull sets up ups and she and cheese par. You're supposed to know that by now. So cheese and Candy Wull par. You don't know cheese, isn't me? So you know she depend live and she says she hungry and one bag of thing and oh the people them a bash her and here comes this man to the rescue and this and volunteer for you see it's another thing, guys. I don't know how much, but it better than nothing when I can hear how much. You see me? But when something always a go good, this happen.
One of them no call is to be a blood clot. Walk back on our feet again. Oh, them. Yeah. I don't know who them blood clot them can't chip you. Why? Sunday, you good? I go on. Give it. I go on, good. Love you, girl. Love you, blood clot. Love you. Goody, goody. You good? Oh, you good? You good? BBC Candy, right this, right this, Jamaican Mix Watch this. Right this, International. Yeah, man. Represent the world. Whoa. Say big and done. Can't stop me. Believe I make you prosper. Yeah. Me don't want to think I'm never about with teeth a blood clot. Me don't about with teeth. And boy kiss the teeth. Wait. Some of the pussy be that road though. No, when you got that, we did forget that we got to lie, but essentially what you know, sugar salt. When we don't talk about it. Yeah, but go bomb. Let's go light here. Whoa, Candy. Someone with dirty here. I told man, I don't pay them no mind now. Step across it. Whoa. Whoa. Like outer door. Outer door better than them. Outer door. What am I going to say about me now? You can't what you are. Run them, let them go. What am I going to say about me now? Run them, kebab, candy. Whoa. Up on the line. Today's Sunday. Whoa, go on. Whoa. Nice treat for me, nice treat. You know a puppy. Puppy of a dog, please. Take care of the whoa. Go on. You need to make up and stuff. You need a break up. Come on in the TV, the grab people and catch up on me. I'm not going to live and chat. Carry you some blood clot, food, clothes. Well, I'm going to come here, mommy, pussy, yeah. Somehow they drunk. They are company life and I come. Baby people have a good thinking mouth. Boy, take on my one. But one of them no call is dopey a blood clot. To rise again and I will rise again. I rise. I will see him and I'll come wash my dirty food. So stop that. Remember on our fault. When the pussy want fix, when the house want fix, somehow they hungry, naked, wanted. Come and say pussy in the step. Fucking on the body. Yes. Nose. Yeah. But I think no time I might pussy me use. But I don't use smoke. Come never circulate from the bar. Choose can my mouth and food. Send who the girls see me back so come up on the line. Let me get for rub on nice blood clot. Sit down here. What is the feeling? Well, wow. Tomato to the blood clot. Most of the water. And not my blood water I drink. But be at some money. Tell it to you. Later, auntie. Big up Esther. Every time, on the light. One this and that. Tell her to friend with them can't. Tell her to friend me. Yeah. Yeah, kiss me, Candy. Can't get skin for love plants. I'm not naked, I'm hungry. But I grew up with foreign goods. I'm not going to get from life. I'm not talking about baby lad. Talk about me now. Baby, what's it up for? Look out, I'm going to be seen. Baby, what's it up for? Every people like me. You never know how to get like Pepsi. So that can be look alive. And probably get it. Oh. Over there, so we're going to be right in there, I'm afraid of the skin and the blood clots. Friend him, tell me of a friend me. Friend me. Ever be a queen of blood clot and come with you. Right this for see. I'm afraid of people. I'm bad from a band of blood clot. That's why I'm going so. Bad. And then I look at rubbish bag me outside. Body bag. Me outside about stick. And them thing there. So what you said to me? That now. I'm out can't turn anyway now. Sideways so. Wow. That now. Much as though I'm not having no tools. Them a flick. I want to some of them or mounts. And them want a wood. In heights. My daddy can't tell big up yourself when I'm a teacher. Baby Pina. Then if you come around, come set it thing real, baby. Hello.
Wagwan.
I don't want to dump in my life.
Dumpy?
Good night.
Say something about Dumpy. Let's get... Yo, Dumpy, what you talking about?
Good night.
Good night. Hold on, let me show you guys something real quick. Hold on. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What's poppin' though? Why you tripping? What's going on? How are you doing today, bro?
Hello?
Hello, how are you doing today?
Hello?
Don't play like you can't hear me, dog. How are you doing today, bro? What's up?
Right now, bro, broke and hungry.
Oh,
And then my cousin said me not having no teeth. I'm a this, I'm a that. My ass dead and cold fat. Teeth and blood clot.
Do you have PayPal?
Eh?
Do you have PayPal?
Eh?
Do you have PayPal?
Account.
PayPal.
What?
Yo, do you guys know if there's PayPal for her? Is there PayPal for her? I'll literally send her like $40-50 if I have to.
Let me see your face, baby.
No, don't know about that.
I'm gonna like take things from man, I don't know about it.
So you heard me the whole time, the bummer guy. So the whole time she's hearing me, dog. That's crazy, dog. She's a finesse. Yo, so do you have PayPal in PayPal? Read the comments. Read PayPal, money, PayPal.
If me have money?
No, do you have PayPal? Man, what the I swear to you guys, I'm not lying. I'm literally trying to send her $40-50, but I don't know if she understands. If you guys could.
Oh yeah, send me a $50.
Oh, so you understand that? You understand that, but you don't understand. Do you have PayPal? Do you have PayPal?
No, baby, banana paper.
Oh, what about Western Union?
I don't have none of them something there, you know, cause more time I get our money. When me I make a deal really different way. So send me info everything, baby.
Shit, man, that's so fun. So you have no one that you could get money, like you could use someone's e-transfer or PayPal account, or use their information and get the money. You can't do that. You can't do that.
All right, hold on a minute. Now go get somebody make you talk to them with a wow.
Yeah, all right, do that real quick. Hurry up, please.
All right, don't move.
That's how shit on yourself, man.
You can't stop me, bitch.
Smoke a spliff, man.
Hello.
I don't know if you guys think I'm lying, but I'm literally trying to help you out, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Come here now.
Yeah, you feel me? I'll send her $40 back. Oh God, $40 ain't shit.
Jesus Christ, that's all them people are to the world. I want to start now with my hands up.
Money. Mrs. Weston, I'm Watson, my bad. Yo, you look like you have money.
Hello, sweetheart.
Yo, where's your friend?
Yes, girl.
Hello?
Wow.
Where's the
Hello,
person?
sir.
Where's the person?
Come on, come. So now I can get hold on.
Alright, bet. Y'all niggas are laughing in the chat. I don't know why y'all laughing.
No, man, I thought you were talking.
What the fuck, Mo?
How cool, man. Bigger than those touch more.
Oh, yo, how long does it take to get one man? The Jamaican, the man who's grinding, dog. Holy fuck.
Hello, sir.
Yes, boss. Wagwan.
Hello.
Yes, Wagwan. Where's your friend?
Hello.
Hello? She can't hear me.
Hello, sweetheart.
Yes, hello.
I know I'm gonna get the money.
Huh?
Everybody feels the right on the one part.
Alright, so yo, I'm gonna do this. Do you have any friends that you could trust on this live? Do you have any friends that you could trust on this live right now?
I want son alone with him. Oh, see, big idea.
Is she on the live?
Big idea, wow. Talk to him.
Where is she? What's her
Yeah?
name? What's her name?
Big idea name.
What she say?
Yeah, make you talk to him. Come and trust him. Just talk to him.
Yo, brother. Hello? Hello?
Which one of us over here?
Hello? Yo. Yeah. You can hear me? Yeah. So, yo, I just randomly came into her life, brother, and then somehow I end up here, and then she was saying some shit about she's hungry, yo. So if one of you guys could find a way to get me a PayPal account or an e-transfer or a fucking, like, something so I could send her like $40-50. So if you guys could figure that out, or if she has a friend or something.
You have a MoneyGram also? You have a MoneyGram nearby over there?
Nah, brother. I'm from Toronto. We don't.
Oh, watch out now.
We only have PayPal.
Yeah, when cheese come.
Western Union.
When cheese forward, we bet cheese, get back to you. Call back and make cheese get back to you.
Alright, man. So, yo, you telling me there's nobody in the chat that knows this woman? What the fuck?
Huh?
No, I was talking to the people in the chat. There's nobody in the chat that personally knows her. Bro, you guys are fucking lying, bro. What are you guys talking about? I'm trying to help my fucking lady out, bro. What are you talking about? She could be my mom. What are you talking about? You fucking stupid. So if I hang up now and I don't try to help her out, then I'm gonna be the bad one. What the fuck's wrong with you guys? I'm literally asking you guys, is there someone in the comments that could literally DM me some shit and I could, you know what I mean? Come on, bro. Niggas, y'all is stupid. Y'all are dumb. You guys are dumb. People are trying. I'm literally trying to help you. You guys are stupid, bro. And this shit's sad. The first time I came on the live, it was like on a joke shit. It was funny and all. But I came on the live to like, you know what I'm saying? You guys are, come on, bro.
Yeah? Listen.